In this video, I'll show you how you can add a custom logo for your WordPress website. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to your dashboard. So you should have your WordPress ID /wp-admin/. Once you're on your dashboard here, what you want to do is you want to come down where it says appearance and you want to click on appearance. So just wait for it, and under appearance you want to choose customize. So select customize, and once you're in here you want to find site identity. Click on site identity, and in here you can select your site icon. So simply press on this button and select the icon that you have saved on your PC, and from in there you will now have your site icon. So that is basically how it works. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.